Money matters. It's how we pay for things we need. It's also for things we want. Managing money well is important. It gives you peace of mind. It helps you reach your goals. Think about your dreams. Maybe it's a new home. Perhaps it's early retirement. Smart money management makes those dreams possible. It all starts with a plan. Don't be scared of finances. You can do this. With a few simple steps, you can become a money master. Let's get started on your journey to financial success. There are 3 key things to learn about money: budgeting, saving, and investing. Think of these as the building blocks of financial success. Budgeting is like creating a spending plan. You track your income and expenses. This helps you see where your money is going. Saving is setting aside money regularly. You do this for future needs or goals. This could be a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. Investing is putting your money to work. It helps you grow your wealth over time. This could be in stocks, bonds, or real estate. A budget is your financial roadmap. It guides you through your financial journey, helping you make informed decisions about your money. Think of it as a plan that outlines your income and expenses, ensuring you stay on track. It doesn't have to be complicated. A simple budget can be just as effective as a detailed one. The key is consistency and accuracy. Start by listing your income. This includes all the money you receive regularly. Include your salary, wages, and any other sources. Don't forget to account for irregular income like bonuses or freelance work. Next, track your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on. This means every single expense, no matter how small. This includes rent, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Also consider subscriptions, transportation, and any other recurring costs. Now compare your income and expenses. This step is crucial to understand your financial health. Are you spending more than you earn? If so, it's time to make some adjustments. If so, you need to cut back. Look for non-essential expenses that you can reduce or eliminate. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. This might include dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives. Are you saving enough each month? Savings are crucial for financial security and future goals. Aim to save at least 10% of your income. This can help build an emergency fund and support long-term goals. A budget helps you stay on track and reach your financial goals. It provides a clear picture of your financial situation, allowing you to make better decisions and achieve financial stability. Section 4. Rainy day, ready building your emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. Sometimes these surprises are pleasant, like an unexpected gift or a visit from a friend. But other times they can be challenging and financially straining. Some surprises can be expensive. Imagine receiving a hefty utility bill or facing an unexpected home repair. These situations can throw your budget off balance. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's a financial safety net designed to cover unforeseen expenses, ensuring you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans. An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected events. It's a crucial part of financial planning, providing a buffer against life's uncertainties. This could be a job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. These are situations that can happen to anyone, and having funds set aside can make a significant difference. Start by saving a small amount each month, even if it's just $50. Consistency is key, and over time these small contributions will add up, even if it's just $50. Every little bit helps, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your fund can grow with regular contributions. Aim to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This amount provides a comfortable cushion to handle most unexpected financial challenges. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you have a financial buffer allows you to handle emergencies without added stress. It prevents you from going into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Instead of reaching for a credit card, you can rely on your emergency fund, keeping your financial health intact. Section 5. Planting seeds for the future. Smart investing basics. Investing might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. It's how you grow your wealth over the long term. Start by learning about different investment options. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are some common choices. Consider your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the possibility of losing money? Younger investors can often take on more risk. It's wise to start small and gradually increase your investments. You can also seek advice from a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan. Section 6. Small steps, big rewards, making your money work for you. This section is all about taking control of your financial future by making informed decisions and taking small, manageable steps. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather about building sustainable habits that will benefit you in the long run. Remember, managing your money well is a journey, not a race. Just like any journey, it requires planning, patience, and persistence. You don't have to be perfect, you just need to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Start with small steps and celebrate your successes along the way. Make saving a habit. Whether it's setting aside a small amount each week, or cutting back on unnecessary expenses, every little bit helps. Over time, these small actions can lead to significant financial growth. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment fund. This way, you ensure that a portion of your income is always being saved without the temptation to spend it. Even small amounts add up over time. Just like a plant grows from a tiny seedling to a flourishing tree, your savings can grow with consistent effort. The key is to start now and be consistent. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial advisors, workshops, and online resources can provide valuable guidance and support. They can help you create a personalized plan that aligns with your goals and circumstances. There are many resources available to help you improve your financial literacy. Books, online courses, and seminars can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to make informed financial decisions. Investing in your education is one of the best investments you can make. The most important thing is to get started. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you have everything figured out. Take that first step today, and you'll be on your way to a brighter financial future. The sooner you take control of your finances, the brighter your future will be. By starting now, you give yourself the best chance to achieve your financial goals and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Section 7. Take charge today. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. You have the power to change your financial future, starting right now. Smart money management is not about being rich or wealthy. It's about having control over your money and your life every single day. Remember the 3 key steps: budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. By mastering these steps, you're building a solid foundation for a secure future. Don't wait. Start today. Take charge of your finances and watch your dreams turn into reality. You've got this.